And here is the Cebu Pacific A320 right here, taking off.
Wait muna dyan. Ito ka.
Gonna be ready. Already took off. Okay. The airplane should land about right now. If it's a Philippine Airlines, if it's a Cebu Pacific A330 -900, then it bothers a landing. That's when we get to leave.
Hindi umalis yun eh.
Landing, come on, come on. Give me a play.
Ayan na.
Oh, Turkish Airlines.
Ang laki.
Smooth landing. Turkish Airlines.
Okay.
Last departure. Last na to, last.
Okay, dyan ka mag-video.
Tapos,
Ay, dito ka, ganun oh.
Like
Ito
ano
ba?
you know. Cebu Pacific. Wow. I'm gonna get a clear shot.
Yung wala na magte-take off.
Na. So there are ground vehicles and aircraft staff there. They're just at the gate. They're loading up the baggage. Okay, here's the last A320 takeoff before we leave.
international yan.
Domestic ata yan o, ano? Domestic, I think. Ready?
Ang pamaliit eh. Kung domestic lang yan.
Go. Take off. You can't hear the sounds, but you hear A320 Cebu Pacific Airlines.
Ito ata yung binibenta sa atin. Ano?
Traffic na.
Let's go na.
Ah,
Satisfied?